Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you
how to lock a file using PDF Viewer Pro. Now, once you're on the PDF Viewer Pro, guys, you want to go ahead and find the file, the PDF file that you want to lock. I'm going to choose one of these random filers. So let's take this demo file as an example. Click the three dots on the right of the file, and here you'll find lock PDF. Click on that and you can enter a password. So I'm going to just quickly enter 1234 as an example and confirm that. You can see now that the file is locked. So if I now want to open the file, if I click on it, I will have to enter the password. And likewise, if I have the file in my phone and I want to open it, not in the app, it will still ask me to enter the password. So I will have to enter the password to be able to access the file. And that's all that you have to do, guys. So if you're looking to lock a file, you can use the PDF Viewer Pro to lock your files. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. At any point in time you want to remove the lock, click the three dots on the right, and here you can see unlock PDF. Click on it, enter the pin once more of that file, and click and confirm, and that's going to remove the lock from that PDF document. But that's it.